The history of Watergate Bay Touring Park, Newquay. A chronological history from its beginnings to the present day. Introduction. Perched on the cliffs overlooking one of Cornwall's most spectacular beaches, Watergate Bay Touring Park has grown from a traditional family-run campsite into one of Cornwall's leading holiday parks. Throughout its history, the park has remained under the stewardship of the Jennings family, whose commitment to continual investment and customer service has created a business with an exceptionally loyal customer base. Today, the park holds both A5 pennant and Visit England 5-star ratings and celebrates over 5 decades of welcoming holidaymakers to North Cornwall. 1975, the beginning. The modern history of Watergate Bay. Touring Park began in 1975, when the Jennings family took ownership of the site. Camping and caravanning were becoming increasingly popular across Britain during the 1970s as families embraced touring holidays, and greater car ownership made destinations like Cornwall more accessible. Recognising the exceptional location overlooking Watergate Bay, the Jennings family established the park with a clear aim: provide spacious pitches, maintain immaculate facilities, create a peaceful family atmosphere, encourage guests to return year after year. That philosophy still underpins the park today. The early years. During the late 1970s and early 1980s, the park developed steadily rather than rapidly. Facilities typical of the era included touring caravan pitches, camping areas, toilet and shower blocks, children's play facilities, reception and small shop. Its location, just half a mile from Watergate Bay Beach, quickly became one of its biggest selling points. Unlike many large commercial holiday parks, Watergate Bay Touring Park retained a quieter, more personal atmosphere which attracted families looking for a relaxing Cornish holiday. Expansion. Through the 1980s and 1990s, as caravan ownership increased throughout the UK, Watergate Bay Touring Park expanded to meet demand. Over this period, the park gradually introduced improved electric hookup pitches, upgraded roads, larger serviced pitches, improved landscaping, better shower facilities, enhanced children's recreation. Many guests who first visited during this era continue to return today, a recurring theme in customer reviews. Becoming a premier touring park. During the 2000s, the Jennings family continued investing heavily in the site. The park increasingly focused on quality rather than size. Major improvements included premium touring pitches, modern washrooms, swimming pool, tennis court games, room family play facilities, landscaped grounds. This investment helped earn the park Visit England 5-star and A5 pennant recognition for quality and facilities. Diversifying accommodation. Responding to changing holiday trends, the park broadened its accommodation beyond traditional touring caravans. Today, visitors can choose from touring caravans, motorhomes, campervans, camping, pods, static, holiday caravans. This allows the park to welcome everyone from first-time campers to experienced caravanners. Food and entertainment. As visitor expectations changed, facilities expanded beyond camping. The park introduced cafe, restaurant, licensed bar, children's entertainment shop, takeaway food. More recently, these facilities evolved into the market kitchen, bringing together the cafe, restaurant and shop in one location. Continuous modernisation. Rather than standing still, the park has continually invested in new infrastructure. Recent developments include additional premium pitches expanded, hardstanding pitches, EV charging, improved fibre, broadband, upgraded electrical infrastructure, improved online booking, flexible payment options. From 2026, the park also introduced pay-as-you-go electricity, allowing guests to pay only for the power they use. The view at Watergate Bay. One of the most significant recent developments has been the evolution of the park's former outer park. After approximately 40 years operating as part of Watergate Bay Touring Park, it has been redeveloped as the View at Watergate Bay. Although operating under its own identity, it remains owned by the Jennings family and works alongside the main touring park. The redevelopment includes campsite, new shop-off licence, laundry. Sunshine at the View Cafe continued access to the main touring park's facilities. 2025. Celebrating 50 years. The year 2025 marked a major milestone. 50 years of family ownership. The Jennings family celebrated 5 decades of welcoming visitors to Cornwall while reflecting on the thousands of families who have returned year after year. The park highlights returning guests as one of its greatest achievements, describing recommendations from previous visitors as its best advertisement. Watergate Bay. Today, Watergate Bay Touring Park offers AA 5 pennant rating. Visit England 5-star grading, touring and camping.